Good morning, students. In the last class, I started the chapter Congruence of Triangles. In that, I have taught you what are congruent objects, what are congruent circles, what are congruent line segments, under what condition we can call two triangles as congruent triangles, and the criteria of congruence of two triangles. That means under what condition we can call two triangles as congruent triangles. And we have seen SSS congruent rule, ASA congruent rule, and AAS congruent rule. Now two more congruent rules are I have to teach you now. And today let us start. Today let us start SSS congruent rule. SSS congruent rule. Okay. Let us take two triangles. Okay, let me call this as ABC and this as PQR. PQ. I say this is 12 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. My dear children, all the three sides of the first triangle, are equals to the corresponding sides of the second triangle. Let me see what is corresponds to what. See, AB from here is equals to PR. Equals to PR. BC from here equals to QR, and AC from here is equals to PQ. When the three sides from the first triangle are equals to the corresponding sides of the second triangle, definitely we can say the two triangles are congruent. How to write? The order is very, very important, my dear children. In what way you are going to write the triangles? The alphabet order is very, very important. I can write therefore triangle dash is congruent to triangle dash. See the way of writing. When the angles are given, it's very easy. When the angles are given, it's very easy. See, A is equals to R means first alphabet A will come, then first alphabet R will come. But no sides are given. See, what I will do, if I write A, B, C, the order of alphabet, if I write A, B, C, see, A, B, C means from 12 centimeter to I am going to 7 centimeter. Same thing you apply here. See, if you start from here 12 centimeter, you are going to 10 centimeter. But I want 12 centimeter to 7 centimeter. So 12 centimeter to 7 centimeter means P R Q. See, I will write ABC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. 12 to 7. 12 to 7 means P R Q. Triangle P R Q. You can write in any way. My dear children, I will show you how it can be written once again, I can write a different way. Triangle. Can I write it as ACB? ACB is congruent to triangle dash. See, ACB, ACB. That means 10 centimeter to 7 centimeter. See here, 10 centimeter to 7 centimeter. PQR. Triangle PQR. Anyway, you can write, but don't write all. Any one is sufficient. I can write triangle BCA. BCA is congruent to triangle dash. BCA, come on. BCA. 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. RQP. Triangle RQP. Anyway, you can write. Ultimately, what I want to say is, when all the three sides from the first triangle are equals to the corresponding sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. This is your SSS congruent rule. You can write the definition of your own. Okay. The last one is RHS congruent rule. RHS congruent rule. The name itself says RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse and side. Come on, let us make one figure. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Here there are two triangles, and we call it as the first triangle as XYZ. Second one is PQR. What does the theorem say? What the property says? Both must be right angle triangles. My dear children, this earlier whatever I have told you, it may be SSS, it may be SAS, it may be ASA, it may be AAS. All these can be applied to any triangle. Need not to be a right angle triangle. Need not to be a right angle triangle. But RHS congruent rule can be applied only for a right angle triangle, not for other triangles. So what it says? What it says? I write here. In two right angled triangles, if hypotenuse and one side of first triangle are equals to the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of the second triangle then two triangles are similar. Then two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are This is 90 from here. I can write angle Y is equals to angle Q. Right? Both are 90 degrees. See, the side which is opposite to the right angle is a hypotenuse. You know this. The side which is opposite to right angle is a hypotenuse. See, RHS. Right angles. Here is the right angle. This is the right angle. Right angle opposite is the hypotenuse. Opposite to this is the hypotenuse. So these two are equals to each other. Okay. See, I am giving you that in these two triangles, these two are 90, these two are equal, and one side. See, if I say YZ from here equals to PQ from there, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. See, my dear children, now you may be surprised. Sir, why they must be equal? Why they must be equal? Listen very carefully. I am giving you in these two triangles, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. Based on the given condition, whatever I have given, you can say the triangles are congruent. See, these given things are given by me, or it will be given in the problem. Your work is, if three things from the first triangle are equals to the three things of the second triangle, then you can say the triangles are congruent. How to implement to a particular problem, I will tell you later. But you understand this. If these three things, which three things? Right angle, hypotenuse, one side. They are equals to right angle, hypotenuse and side of the second triangle, we can say the triangles are congruent. Which congruency? RHS congruent truth. Okay, and the y is equal to angle to given. XZ is equals to PR, and what? YZ is equals to PQ. YZ is equals to PQ. Can we say therefore triangle dash is congruent to triangle dash? Anyway, you can write. I will start from here. See, hypotenuse, then side. Hypotenuse, then side. I will write XZY. Can you tell me there? Hypotenuse and side. See, if I start from here, hypotenuse and this side is different. These two are equal, that means hypotenuse and side are PQ. Triangle RPQ. You can write in different way also. You can take a different way also. So come on, triangle dash is congruent to triangle dash. Anyway, you can write. Can I start from here? See, this to double bar, this and double bar. How I can start? This and double bar. Come on, I can write X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is congruent to what? Come on there. RQP. RQP. My dear children, these are 5 different congruent rules. Now, how to apply these congruent rules to a given problem is my next concept. But before starting the problems, you should keep in mind, two triangles can be said to be congruent under these 5 conditions. This is very important. Under these 5 conditions only we can say that two triangles are congruent. Which are those? SAS, ASA, AAS, SSS, RHS. Under these 5 conditions. You remember this. How to apply to a particular problem I will going to tell you now. Okay. So first write this. Now we will start the problems. Okay students, here there are 2 problems. And what we will learn now, how to implement those congruent rules to a given problem. Okay. My dear children, proving two triangles are congruent means, listen carefully, proving the two triangles are congruent means you have to find 3 equal things. See, let us go to this problem first. See, they ask you, show that triangle ADE. Since it is the first problem, let us go very slowly. may be 3 sides, it may be 2 angles and 1 side, or 1 side and 2 angles, but you can't take that of your own. It has to be searched from the given problem. They have given you 3 equal things directly or indirectly. Your work is to search those, where those equal things are there. My dear children, for that different properties can be used. It can be used. You can use the property of parallel lines. You can use the property of vertically opposite angles. You can use the property of parallel lines and the transversal. What are the different angles are formed? We will see one by one in what way we can prove the two triangles are congruent. But thing is, 3 things are needed. 3 equal things are needed to prove the triangles are congruent. Come on. What are they asking? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Directly they have given AB is equal to AC. That means this side from the first triangle, this side of the second triangle, they are equal to each other. They have only given directly first thing. Further they say AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. That means when this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. See, this angle from the first angle, this angle of the second triangle, they are also equal. We got 2 equal things we got. Now we need only 1 equal thing. 1 equal thing is needed. You may say, sir, it is very simple. We can take these 2 are equal. No, my dear children, because that is not given. That is not given. Unless they give you, you can't take of your own. Can you search? What is one more equal thing? You may say this is equal to this. No, it is not given. My dear children, it is very easy. See, this triangle is also having, this triangle is having the side AD, and this triangle is also having the side AD. This AD is the common side for both the triangles. We can use that one and we can say the triangles are congruent. Okay, let me write that first. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. ADB and ADC. ADB, ADC, which are equal things. From here, AB is equals to, from here it is AC. Why? This is because, reason has to be written. This is because of given. This is given. You can write given. Further, from the first angle this is 90, from the second angle this is 90. I can say angle ADB. Angle ADB is equals to angle ADC. Angle ADC. This is because you can write given, or you can say 90 degree each. 90 degree each. Third thing I can write AD is equals to AD. This is because common side. Common side. This is common side for both the triangles, and I can write therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. But you write which congruency it is. Under which congruent rule you have proved that these two triangles are congruent. For that, what is to be done? You see only one triangle. You see only one triangle. What are the things I have chosen? See, for the first triangle, see, I have taken this is equal to this, this is equal to this. This is the common side. That means you take one triangle. I have chosen this side. I have chosen this angle. I have chosen this side. Which congruent rule? Right angle, hypotenuse, side. So which congruent rule? For that, see only one triangle, 90 degree, hypotenuse and side. It is RHS congruent rule. I can write because of RHS congruent rule. RHS congruent rule. That is the end of the problem. Very simple. Only 5 steps. 2 triangles, 3 equal things. Finally prove that the triangles are congruent. First read the problem well. Read it well. Understand what are the given things. AB and PQ, AB and PQ are equal, perpendicular to the line segment AP, to the line segment AP. They say these two are equal also they are perpendicular. See, they are equal. Listen it, read it very carefully. They are equal. That means they have given these two are equals to each other. Further, they say they are also perpendicular to the line segment AP. That means this is 90 from here. This is also 90. Two things we got already. But we need a third thing. Further, nothing is given. Show that triangles are congruent. Show that triangles are congruent. Where is the third thing? Where is the third thing? Nothing. Nothing is there. My dear children, this is one line segment. This is another line segment. You know that when the two line segments are intersecting, the angles are formed opposite to each other are called as vertically opposite angles, and they are always equals to each other. That means you can say AOB and POQ are equals to each other. With that, three things we got, and we can prove that the triangles are congruent. We'll prove it first. Show that the triangles are congruent. Let me start. In triangle, which triangle? AOB and triangle POQ. AOB and triangle POQ are the two triangles. Come on. In that, which are the equal things? AB is equals to PQ. AB is equals to PQ. This is because from the given it is. It is because from the given. Okay. From the first triangle, this is 90. From this triangle, this is 90. Angle A is equals to angle B. This is because 90 degree each. 90 degree each. Come on, these two are equal. Further, I can say these two angles are equal. AOB. Angle AOB is equals to angle POQ. Angle POQ. This is because what I can write? I can write them as a vertically opposite angles. Therefore, I can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle POQ. My dear children, here order is very important. I have not taken care much because they only given me. Show that triangle AOB is equals to POQ. Since they only gave, it is not much, or you can say need not to be given much care because they have arranged and given it. So I can write it directly. AOB is equals to POQ. Now the question comes. This is because of which congruent rule? For that, what is to be done? See only one triangle. See only one triangle. See only upper triangle. I have chosen this. I have chosen this. I have chosen this. But this is not RHS. Don't think that whenever right angle comes, it's always RHS. No. This is RHS because right angle is there, hypotenuse is there, side is there. But here you got RHS because this is there, this side is there, and this angle is there. That means two angles and a non-included side. Am I right? Included means this means included because now it is a non-included, so it is called as AA. Yes, congruent rule. Yes, congruent rule. Those who are not very sure, see my previous video. See my previous video. You first understand what is the meaning of SAS, ASA, AAS. Then you can solve the problems. Otherwise, it is difficult for you. Okay, that is the end of the first part of this proof. Something they asked again. My dear children, now I am coming to the next point. Listen very carefully. To prove equal things. Unless you show 3 equal things are there in both the triangles, you can't prove the triangles are congruent. Now I have proved it. I have proved with the help of 1, 2, 3. With these 3 things from here and these 3 things from here, I have proved the triangles are congruent. My dear children, once you prove the triangles are congruent, now I can say, the remaining 3. What do you mean remaining 3? See, 3 I have used for proving the triangles as congruent. 3 more are there. Which are the 3 more? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 I have not used here. But once I prove the triangles are congruent, I can say the remaining 3 are also equals to each other. That is called as CPCT. That is called as CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Very important, CPCT. But this CPCT will come in the picture when? When it will come in the picture? Once you prove the triangles are congruent. In the beginning only I can't take the CPCT. I have to get 3 equal things. I have to prove the triangles are congruent. Once I prove the triangles are congruent, now I can say the remaining three which I have not used in proving the triangles as congruent, which I have not used, those 3 also equals to each other because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now you see, show that AO is equals to OP. AO is equals to OP. I can say no. I can say they are equal because of CPCT, because already I proved the triangles are congruent. Now I will write therefore AO is equals to OP. This is because of CPCT. But children, not only this, you can say angle B is equals to angle Q because of CPCT. You can say what? This is equals to this because of CPCT. But CPCT will come in the picture only when you prove the triangles are congruent. My dear children, since in the first and the second problem there may be here and there some doubts for you, don't worry, wait for some time. Let me teach you 2 more problems and I am very sure you will understand far better. Okay students, now you might have got a little bit a clear picture how to solve the problems of congruence of two triangles, or how to apply these properties to a particular problem. Okay, let us go for 2 more problems. Things will be little more easy for you. Come on. Your first work is to understand what are the given things for you. Come on, what is told here? AC is equals to B. Read the problem very well so that you will get the equal things from there itself. Okay, AC is equals to B. AC from the first triangle and AD from the second triangle equals to each other. AB bisects angle AB. See, AB bisects angle. Angle A bisects means it is called an angular bisector. Which is angular bisector? AB is the angular bisector of angle A. That means this angle, complete angle A is divided by this. That means I can say this angle and this angle are equals to each other. That is the meaning of bisector. The angle is bisected means divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, these 2 are equal. That's all. 2 things are readily available for you, my dear children. 2 things are available. Only your work is to find the third thing. Look at this. Okay, let me start. In triangle. Which is the triangle? ABC. And triangle ABD. When they only gave that triangles are congruent equals to this. I can write AC is equals to AD. This is because given. This is because given. Come on. What's the second thing? These two angles are equal. Who told? That is also given. AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. That means these two angles are equal. Come on. Angle CAB is equals to angle. This angle is equal to this angle. How to write this angle? Don't write angle A. Write angle BAD. Angle BAD. This is also because of given only. Third thing is not there. Now it is your work to show which is the third equal things for us, so that we can see the triangles are congruent. My dear children, look at this. Look at this. This AB. This AB is common for this triangle also. AB is common for this triangle also. I can write AB is equals to AB because of common side. Common side. Common side. And I can say therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now you have to write because of which congruent rule. For that I have to see only one triangle. I have to see only one triangle. See what I have taken. I have taken this side, this angle, this side. This side, this angle, this side. SAS. Two sides and one included angle. SAS. I can write this is because SAS congruent rule. Congruent. Once I prove the triangles are congruent, how many things I have used? 3 things I have used. Remaining 3 are also automatically equals to each other because of CPCT. Now I can say, once I prove the triangles are congruent, I can say these two are equal because of CPCT. I can say these two angles are equal because of CPCT. I can say these two angles are also equals to each other. But that is possible only when you prove the triangles are congruent. They are asking you, what can you say about BC and BD? What can you say about BC and BD? You can write BC is equals to BD. BC is equals to BD. This is because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That's all. Come on, students. Let us go for one more problem. Very interesting. Very interesting. What they say? Line L. This is the line L. This is the line L. Line L is the bisector of angle A. See, there are also bisectors there. Here also bisector is the line L is the bisector of what? Bisector of angle A. That means this angle A is bisected by the line L. That means I can say these two angles are equals to each other. This is the angle of the first triangle. This is the angle of the second triangle. Okay, further what they say? AP and BQ are perpendiculars. They are not equal. They are not equal, but they are the perpendiculars. From B, from here one perpendicular is drawn. From here one perpendicular drawn to where? To the arms of angle A. These are called as arms. See, when I draw one angle like this, when I draw an angle like this is and these two are called as the arms of the angle. Angle is here. Angle is here and these two are called arms of the angles. Okay. Now that means from here one perpendicular, this is 90 degree. From here one perpendicular, this is 90 degree. Okay. Show that triangles are congruent. Show that the triangles are congruent. Come on. Show that the triangles are congruent. How to start? 3 things are required. Let me see how you will get those 3 things. In triangle. In triangle. I can write APB. APB and triangle. This angle is equal to this angle, or this angle is equal to this angle. But I should take, when I take APB triangle first, APB triangle, then I should take this angle under this part, this angle under this part. I can write angle PAB, this angle PAB is equal to angle PAB, this angle is equal to QAB. This is because given, one thing is clear, these two angles are 90 degree. Angle Q is equal to angle P, or angle P is equal to angle Q. But how I should write? I should write, see, P angle is from here, Q angle is from here. I should compulsorily write angle P is equal to angle Q, because angle P is the part of this triangle. See, P is here, Q is the part of this triangle, right here. Don't interchange. Okay, this is also you can write because of given, or you can say 90 degree each. That is the third thing. Now definitely you are knowing which is the third thing. I can say this is the common side. This is the common side. I can say AB is equals to AB. This is because of common side. Common side. Yes. Three things are available. These three things are available. I can say using those three things, I can say triangles are congruent. Therefore, I can write, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Which congruency? For that, see only one triangle. See only one triangle you see. What I have chosen? I have chosen this. I have chosen this. I have chosen this. It is not RHS. It is not RHS. Because two angles are there. RHS means only one angle must be there. So A and a non-included side. If this is there, means we have the included side of these two angles. These two angles and this side means a non-included side. So AAS, because of AAS congruent rule. AAS congruent rule. Once I prove the triangles are congruent, I have told you, remaining three things are also automatically equals to each other because of simplicity. Come on, what does BP is equals to BQ? Then BP is equals to BQ. My dear children, it is not given they are equal, but now I can say they are equal because I have proved the triangles are congruent. Once I prove the triangles are congruent, remaining three things, except these three things, three more things are available there. Those things are also equals to each other because of simplicity. Come on, I can write, therefore BP is equals to BQ. BP is equals to BQ because of simplicity. I can write AQ is equals to AP, or AP is equals to AQ. I can write AP is equals to AQ. That is also because of simplicity. All the three things except these three are also equals to each other, but after proving the triangles are congruent, and for that you can add the reason simplicity. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. My dear children, we have solved 4 problems today. Hope that you are little bit comfortable. If it is needed, I will solve some more problems also in my next video. And there are a lot of things to learn in this chapter. Very interesting chapter, my dear children. But you should show some interest in this one. Okay? Practice this. We will meet again in the next class. Till then,